exploiting today is the accumulation of lessons and insight that come from yesterday. We're optimizing on recipes for success that we perfected yesterday, that reflected yesterday's commitments, abilities, resources, and broader context. And so today we're optimizing that. Explore says today, every firm, every leader needs to begin to explore, to experiment, to try things out, to fail, right? But to begin to understand how do we transition from today's successes to the successes and to the activities that will enable us both to survive into tomorrow and also to do well.
Strawberry Hill was the first house that inspired the Gothic revival. This iconic house is a successful exploration because it was the most influential building of the early Gothic revival. Today, it is considered an exploitation because it has already been introduced. The Pizza Tower is an example of a failed exploration because the architect used a new method that consisted to lay the foundation and then leave them for a year to settle. The tower started to lean due to the soft ground which could not properly support the structure's weight. The Pimlico Academy was built by John Bancroft in 1967. It was a perfect example of brutalist architecture constructed of concrete and glass without decorative ornaments. It had angular geometric shapes and a monochromatic color palette. With time, the building's fabric started deteriorating, and there has been several complaints regarding the glass construction, insinuating that the building was excessively hot in the summer and excessively cold in the winter. The school was demolished in 2007 and rebuilt by Architecture PLB. Now, the building is a C-shape with different departments on each floor. The academy itself is arranged around a new courtyard, maximizing external spaces available on site. The old academy is a perfect example of a failed exploration because Bancroft's architecture led to several problems, which is why the Westminster Council decided to demolish it.